Hi everyone, I'm Scott Heftler, creator of BoxPress. Welcome to this new channel. This COVID-19 lockdown may have us feeling like Jack Torrance, but recent research shows that boredom and isolation actually boost creativity. To turn this lockdown into a personal renaissance, all we really need is an ally to make the writing process more enjoyable. For Tinderbox users, this would be MapView. MapView encourages the act of writing by making it painterly and fun. It invites you to set your ideas down graphically as colored blocks, and then associate them by means of appearance, position, adornment, and link. The result is a free-form composition that visualizes relationships and also serves as a clickable navigation device, as you can see here. Unfortunately, Tinderbox users are wary of investing serious time in MapView. This is because, as most of you know, Tinderbox can't export your clickable maps. Consequently, users who want to share their work find themselves confined to the simple textual dimension of outline view. As a result, many users see mapping as a waste of time. This is doubly tragic because agents can monitor your map and change it in response to its text, an amazing feature and a shame to give up. But all is not lost. For although Tinderbox can't export functional image maps, it does let you copy and save them as static images, so at least your maps can get outside the box. But what if you could export your creations as fully functional image maps, and even enhance them with improved navigation, attractive layout, smooth interface, and macros for multimedia? What if you could not only export your full Tinderbox entity, but actually enhance it? Well, now you can. BoxPress transforms your Tinderbox system into a compact hypermedia module that you can zip and email to friends and colleagues, who can then explore your work on any device. All 4 dimensions of your Tinderbox entity are exported: maps, outline structure, basic links, and text that you can embed with dozens of special components. BoxPress modules are mobile first, so your clickable maps look just as good on a smartphone or tablet as they do on a 4K monitor. But BoxPress is not just for publishing. For now, you can upload your system directly to your phone and bring it with you wherever you go. BoxPress also lets you embed and even navigate your system inside of DevonThink and integrates your notes individually into DevonThink's AI search engine. This is the first in a series of videos that will show you how easy it is to export your work using BoxPress and how to achieve amazing effects that your audience will love. BoxPress gives you total control over the page frame, layout, granularity, backgrounds, every aspect and element of your final product. Best of all, everything is done with dashboards and pop-up menus. There's no coding required. Tinderbox map making is a pleasure in its own right, but it's hard to enjoy when you know that your maps cannot be shared. Now that your map lockdown is over, you can spend your physical lockdown having fun and doing your best work, encouraged by the confidence that whatever you create can now be shared with the world. For years, you have quietly endured the pain of not being able to export your Tinderbox entities in their full interactive complexity. The dark ages of Tinderbox export are over. Welcome to BoxPress, the generic, universal Tinderbox export system. Stay tuned and I'll see you next week.